Okay, Ozzie's gonna have a little bath, a little shower. Hey, Ozzie. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, a little warm. We don't want it too warm or too cold. Just right. We want it to be just right. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah. He's already had one, but the camera wasn't working, so we tried to give him another one, eh? See if you want another one. I'll have a drink, he says. Hey, look at that. Yeah. Hey, that's a good boy. What a good boy. Yeah. Pretty? You're going to get all nice and wet. Yeah. And then he'll spend like half an hour preening every single feather to make it perfect. Yeah, just perfect. Oh, get right in and have a bath. Yeah, get right in. Enjoy yourself, little birdie. Yeah. Do you like that? It's nice and warm now. Your earlier one was a bit cold, wasn't it? Yeah? Is it too warm? I don't think so, but let's just be careful. Yeah. You'd be more enthusiastic if you hadn't already had one. Wouldn't you, Ozzie? Yeah, get your beak nice and clean too. Yeah, you're so pretty. Oh my goodness, you're a pretty bird. You are so pretty. What a good boy. I'll hop right in there. I'll get it so you... Hey? I'll get in the water. Hey? Oh, some people might think this is a waste of water, but the enjoyment that Ozzie gets out of it, it's not a waste. Is it, sweetheart? What was that? Are you done? Start fluffing? Oh. I think maybe you're finished. Are you finished? Okay, say goodbye. Bye.